Hi, my name is Jessica, and my family and I recently moved into my new home and we noticed some mold. This was a big concern for us, especially because we have a young son with asthma, and I've heard that mold could be very dangerous. So I looked online, I talked to a few friends, and after calling a few different companies, I decided on GTA Restoration, and it was a great decision. They used an infrared camera to detect the water damaged area. I don't know of any other company that does this. GTA Restoration was very thorough, and they made sure that they didn't miss anything. I would definitely recommend them to all of my friends.